Hindi ba lumalaki yung business mo dahil iniisip mo na hanggang dun lang yung kakayanan mo, and therefore hanggang dun lang yung business mo? Well, think about it because what will grow your business when you reach that point is leadership. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng leadership? Ang ibig sabihin ng leadership is you're able to empower people, make them better than before. Yun yung leadership. Kadalasan, ang nakukuha nating tao is yung hindi mas magaling kesa sa atin. Pero pwede mo itry na kumuha ka ng tao na mas magaling kesa sa'yo. Kasi hindi ka naman pwedeng magaling sa lahat ng bagay. Pwedeng magaling ka sa marketing, hindi ka magaling sa operations. Then, get somebody who is very good in operations. Pwede magaling ka sa operations, hindi ka magaling sa marketing and finance. Then, kumuha ka ng tao na magaling sa finance and try to grow those people under you. In other words, hindi kinakailangan na ikaw ang pinakamagaling sa kanila. If you just empower them to be better and better, then makikita mo as a leader, you actually are being lifted up by these people. So, ang kinakailangan is, hindi naman kinakailangan na ikaw yung pinakamagaling. Ang kinakailangan lang is, you are the leader. You are the one who is empowering all those people under you. Leadership is different. Ang leadership empowers people. He takes responsibility over the entire organization and he empowers the people under him. So, walang place ang insecurity na para bang kinakailangan ikaw ang pinakamagaling. There's no place for that kind of insecurity. Kinakailangan matanggal yung insecurity mo at maging leader ka sa organization. Then if you know how to lead, you're actually just empowering the people to be better and better in what they are doing. So if they become better and better in what they're doing, then your business will keep on growing.